No se vaya, mamita. No se vaya. No, 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 no. No se vaya. No se vaya. Is the baby okay?
Yeah, she
How old is she?
She's 12, 13.
She
So
be
yeah,
fine.
yeah. That's what he's.
Why would she do that?
She hit you?
Yeah, she did a whole illegal U-turn.
Attention to pedestrians.
You guys okay? Somebody wipe out? Oh, wow. You guys are good? Somebody got hurt?
Yeah, the daughter, she got hurt. She's right there.
You guys need an ambulance?
She's making an illegal U-turn.
Oh, damn.
His daughter, bro.
Damn, man. You guys called already?
Nah.
Damn, brother.
Go, come on, go stay with your daughter.
Oh my God, bro.
Stay with your daughter.
I'm in front of the Color Bar and Broadway Inn in Washington Ave. Okay, good. All right, good. Thank you so much.
Okay.
They're coming to help.
No, her. I got her tag right there.
You got her.
Why would she do that?
She hit you?
She did a whole illegal U-turn.
He's making a U-turn. You see her?
Chillax, man. They're coming right now. Just you got her tag and everything. Right?
Yeah, I got her tag over here with the bike. Yeah.
All right, let me go. Let me go to make sure that she's not going anywhere. Hey, honey, are you okay? What happened? ¿Qué le pasó, mamá? ¿Qué pasó?
Yo di la vuelta ahí.
Y se le estrelló uno de los motocicletos.
Él fue el que, no sé, él.
Bueno,
no,
mamita.
No, él venía en ese carril.
Ok.
Pero él.
Mamita, los tengo que dejar salir ahí. Lo único que le digo es que ahorita vienen a ver qué pasó. Tranquila, ¿ok? Tranquila. No se vaya, mamita. No se vaya. No, 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 no. No se vaya, no se vaya. Le van a llamar a la policía y le va a ir más mal a usted. No puede hacerlo así, mamá. Se lo vuelvo a decir. Mire cómo están listos para seguirla. No la estoy ni molestando. Ahí está el muchacho listo para seguirla, mamá. Yo solo eso le estoy diciendo. Yo sé que no, mamita, yo sé que no. Yo sé, mamita, pero usted acaba de tener un accidente, no puede irse. Solo tenga cuidado, mamá, que no se vaya a ir así nomás. Is the baby okay?
Yeah,
How old is she?
she's 12, 13.
She
So
be
yeah,
fine.
That's what he's.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
you.
you ain't making no delivery right now. You can't hit somebody and then drive off.
So that's what I'm telling her.
Yeah. Thank you for being here, bro. I got the tag over there too. Yeah.
Yeah, I was like, oh, I need to go delivery, dude.
Yeah.
They have bikes. They're not going anywhere.
Yeah. Never seen.
Ay, pa. Good luck,
Yeah,
brother.
yeah, bro.
Good
Thank
luck.
you.
Good luck. God
Thank
bless.
you again. Get out.
Oh, well. That's that.
Jesus Christ. Pobrecita, man. Bueno, ¿qué se va a hacer? Pobrecita la señora.